Hey folks, welcome to the second half of my Negg uh, egg seasonings, deviled egg seasonings. Today is going to be curry and the smoky ham. So these two I haven't tried yet. I'll put a link up here to last week's where I did the classic and the Cajun. Those were both really good. And actually, I went shopping for eggs today, and I'm glad to see they're back down to normal. I actually bought eggs today at the price that I bought them quite a while ago at like a little over $4. Uh, so that actually made me happy. So I was glad of that. So here's how I'm going to make these. Okay, here we go again. Yolks from 3 eggs, and then 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is Kewpie. You can use your favorite mayonnaise. And then we're going to start with the curry deviled eggs. So this is a teaspoon and a half of the curry deviled egg seasonings from Negg. Get it all in there. And then give it a good mix. Looks good. Now we're going to put this in our piping bag. I really like using the piping bags. I'm going to do that from now on with my deviled eggs. It's just so easy, and it turns out really good. It looks great. So now we're just going to pipe our deviled egg mixture into our eggs and top that one off. There we go. And then I'm going to put a top on and refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Now on to the smoky ham. Once again, we got the yolks from 3 eggs. And this is the smoky ham. 2 tablespoons of Kewpie mayonnaise. And then we have a teaspoon and a half of the Negg Smoky Ham. And then we're going to give this a good mix. And into the piping bag. And then into the eggs. See how pretty that looks? And then top that one off. Once again, put a lid on it. And then into the refrigerator, and I'll give these a taste in about 30 minutes. Just as easy as the last time. Here is the smoky ham. That's what they look like. And then the curry. Okay. I'm going to try the smoky ham first. Wow, that's really good. That is really good. The smoky ham flavor is very subtle, which is nice. I was hoping that it would be like the last ones. That it's a very subtle flavor, because sometimes when they go with like the seasonings and the artificial smoke flavor and whatever, that overpowers it. But no, that definitely has a really nice smoked ham flavor without being overpowering. I really like this one. This one is really, really good. Now, on to the curry. I'm really looking forward to the curry eggs because curry is one of my favorites. So let's give the curry a try. That is very good. That is very good as well. I really like that. Again, the flavor of the curry is very subtle, but you taste it. It's there. It's not overpowering. I love that. And the ingredients are pretty much the same as the others. It's powdered Dijon mustard, powdered rice vinegar. And of course, this has some seasonings for the smoky ham and curry for the curry, of course. But all in all, I think these Negg seasonings are fantastic. And once again, I'll put the link to where you can find more about the Negg and these Negg seasonings in the description box below. But definitely, if you're a fan of deviled eggs, give them a try. And definitely give the Negg a try because it's great for removing the eggshells. Well, there you have it, folks. More deviled eggs. Go make some. Thanks for watching.